Hello everyone, my name is Kian Francet. Welcome to my operating system platform tutorial. In this video tutorial I will be demonstrating how to set up a GPO for users on a domain using the Windows 2008 R2 server. Right now I created a domain specifically for the purpose of this. So you can see it's gpo.com, right? So let's begin. First you need to go to your start and then go to administrative tools, and you'll see this option, group policy management. You want to select that. Alright, then this should be closed off. Then you just expand this forest, go down to your domains, right? And depending on the domain that you want to create it for, mine is gpo.com. This is the domain I'll be using for this video. Expand it, go down to your group policy objects. You can expand it if you want. Now you have two default schemas in here when the domain is set up, right? So we are going to create a new one. So just right click on the group policy object folder and select new. Right, and we are going to name this one user policy. And select OK. Right, so when it has loaded in, this is what it'll look like. So let's get to editing. Alright, so just right click on your policy now and then select edit. A new window should open up that allows you to do whatever configurations you want to do. Alright, so let's begin. Go down to your user configuration, then go down to your policies option and administrative template. Now a couple things you want to restrict from users if you managing a domain. You want to restrict things like they can't go to the control panel to access anything. So we'll prohibit access to the control panel. Right, so we are going to enable this, and we are going to leave a comment and say admin restriction. Alright, you can set to anything else you want, anything that will give you ideas as to what it is or what was the reason that you put it for. But for just this video, I'll leave it as this. Alright, select apply and then and select OK. Alright, so the policy is enabled now. So a couple more things that we will want to do. Let's see, let's check the desktop and see what we can restrict here. You want to allow when people using systems, you want to allow them at least to be able to change the desktop wallpaper and stuff like that, so you know they feel like they have some kind of control over what is happening. So you can lock taskbar. How about we do that? Enabled. Admin restriction, apply. Okay. I'll just restrict one more thing and then move on. Let's lock all taskbar settings. Alright, select apply and then OK. Alright, so we'll let that do for now, and we'll go ahead and test the settings in a little bit. Alright, so let's just edit this security filter in here part. Let's add someone. So I created a user before. You can add users. I have a SB user, right? You can use that, put this person in the this person specifically, or I can select I can select for domain users. Alright, the domain users being people from this domain that I have set up here. Alright, so let's just do it for Sean Bean only. Alright, but you can add other users here, for instance. Alright, let's add people in this domain users. You can add one person specifically, or you can select it for everybody in the domain users, right? And now what we want to do is we want to link this GPO. So just right click on your domain here and then select this option, link existing GPO. You select your user policy and then select OK. Alright, and you can see the policy here is now in effect. So let's go into the other machine and test it out. Right, so I'll switch user here. Alright, so let's just test the effects that we did setting up the profile, right? So this is the user here. Right click on the taskbar. They have no options in the taskbar except these couple ones, right, which is good enough. You want to go to navigate to start now, and let's see if we can find control panel. It's not here, but let's type it in the search bar. Alright, control panel, select that option. Oh no, they can't access it. Alright, but just in case, let's try trying to access it from a different method. Go to my computer, let's check the system properties. No, they can't go and test anything. Right, so this is basically setting up a GPO. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.